Hello and welcome to How To Automotive. Today I'm excited to talk to you about one of my favorite topics, and that's saving you money and time. So today I got this brand new service cart here that I got from Keysco. It's a company that's mainly known for the paint and body industry, making tools and products for the paint and body industry. Well, I got this little service cart and I wanted to show you how this can save you so much time, energy, and how this can make your life better. So I'm going to show you a few clips, so stay tuned for that. So one of the main purposes of a service cart is to be mobile and take your work to the job. And that's exactly what this little service cart allows you to do. So if you're like me, you probably have another service cart like this. And they tend to get really overloaded and loaded up with a lot of tools. And they're super heavy and they're not that small and they're not that nimble. And they're a little difficult to roll around the shop. My main service cart pretty much is stationary and pretty much never leaves this spot. Up my service cart with the known tools that I'm going to do this brake job here. I'm servicing the brake job, and I got all the parts and tools just laid out here. I got my cleaners all laid up right here. So I banged out this side of the brakes, and then once I'm done with this, I just roll right over to the opposite side and complete that side. So what makes this service cart unique is its ability to adjust up really high like this and fit over the engine bay. So as you're working right inside this engine bay here, you can rest your tools or put the nuts and bolts right there on top of it. And it keeps everything real nice and close. So like most technicians out there, I get paid flat rate. And that means if I'm not working, I'm not making money. So the more I can do in a certain amount of time, the more money I'll make. So having this little service cart right here next to me as I'm taking these fasteners off and able to just set the tools and the fasteners down and then lift off the parts that I'm working with, you know, that saves me a little bit of time here and there. And at the end of the week, that all adds up. So as you can see right here, I'm working and I'm setting the impact gun down, and then I'm able to pull this hose off here, and I'm able to keep moving without finding a place to set my things down or putting the tools back on my regular service cart, which is a foot or two away, which takes a few seconds to walk over to it, set the tools down. So I'm just constantly working. And then every few minutes or so, I may stop and organize the service cart. So in this clip here, I'm taking off the fan clutch, and I'm reaching in here and I'm taking one bolt off at a time, and I'll take the bolt off and I'll set it onto the cart there. And what I would have done in the past is I would have probably set the bolt on top of the engine or up on the cowling, or I would have stood up, turned around, put the bolt on my regular service cart or my workbench, and that would have taken a lot of time. And if I put it on top of the engine bay, there was a good chance that I'll knock it off and it'll fall inside there. Then I'm trying to fish it out of the engine. So this makes it a little bit more efficient to just set the bolts on top of the tray and keep concentrating on what I'm working on. So now I'm going back together and I have all the bolts and the tools and stuff that I need on top of my tray, and I'm able to just take the bolt off, put it on, grab it off, another bolt right off the tray, put it on the part and secure that, and just keep going from the tray to the part, tray to the part, tray to the part without hunting for my stuff. If you guys work on trucks and stuff, and you know you have to climb up inside the engine bay to put things on or take things off, and when you're up here and if you have your tray rolled right up against here like this, you're able to easily put the bolts, fasteners, or the tools are right there accessible to put those all together. That way you don't have to jump up and down off the bumper and the truck and climbing in and out of the vehicle. You got it all set up right there. That right there will save you a ton of time and energy just on that tip alone. Now that I'm done with this task, you'll see me jump down and I'll pull the cart over and I'll adjust it, I'll lower it down. So now I'm going to lower it down, I'm going to lift this vehicle up, and then I'm going to roll underneath the vehicle, and I'm do some service work under here. So I'm actually hooking up some transmission cooler lines and radiator hoses and stuff, and the hose clamps and the tools are right there, so I can easily do it. A lot of times I'm alone in the shop, and I could always use a second pair of hands or somebody close by to hand me nuts and bolts and fasteners. So like, for instance, I'm putting this lower skid plate or engine shield on, and so I'm lifting it up into place. Well, right to the right of me is my cart with the fasteners and the tools. So I'm able to do this all by myself without having somebody else help me, because the cart and tools are right there where I can get to it. and I can start these fasteners and get this skid plate up and bolted up. So this is made by Keysco Tools. It's about $125, $130. It's not too expensive. It's pretty simple to assemble when you get it. It just has one knob on the side that you twist to loosen up, and you can adjust it up or down. I would highly recommend putting one of these little nimble carts in your shop. I will link it up in the description of the video. So I hope you find this little review useful. I'm Brian Esser from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this, and this will be linked in the description. Thank you again for watching.